Thank you for life. Morning, we're not going with our afternoon rather. Now we waste no time. So in this video, we are going river. We're going to the river with Richard Brown and team. All of the actors them and all. I don't know why they are going to the river. Oh, I hear curious say something about them are going to shoot movies, so we can probably get some behind the scenes. So yep, we are going to the river. I take you with me. Leave a like on the video. Long time subscribers. If it's your first time over here, definitely leave a like. And check out previous content so you can understand what happens over here. You'll be entertained. So first time over here, subscribe. Long time subscribers, please be reminded to like the video. And yeah, how we go river. Find out where Richard Brown and Curious and the whole team are going to fall. I know I say Benta River I did say first, but with the Roaring River, I might go Benta just the same because I'm here curious I say I'm not really into the crowd. See him over that side then. So Brown, come on go on out of so they talk to the people and pick and fast.
Yeah, Roaring River. I try to get together with their drive and one magazine. So with the Roaring River, for those who don't know where they one place, then Roaring River, it is one of those special places in Westman where you can go and swim, can enjoy the sightseeing, you see me? So we are shooting a movie, so like the Roaring River piece side, you see it?
So we are here with normal boss, you know, Alton that.
One normal. Ready? One normal. Jamaica man. One normal. Where you guys from?
Outside of Boston, Massachusetts.
Boston,
What's the 508?
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. No,
Get it,
you know, there is Jamaica movie star Richard Brown. Jamaica Entertainment. We shoot movies here, right? Actors. You can check it out on YouTube.
What is the name?
Richard Brown Film.
Curious there, Richie wanna just say a while ago. Antoinette, who is co-producer, and my friend Natasha. So we'll look around the place. Hi Natasha.
Hi.
So Candy then that travel with you as well, but them then on a different vehicle. Look like them probably lost. You know, we don't know what going on there. So that's how we are doing right now. We are waiting for Candy them. So in the meantime, we just look for people that jump off a bridge and all that. Alright, next stop, Benta, or behind the scenes.
Laundromat. So we do it in Jamaica.
Why you never care that?
Yo, fire I say can bad one, can close.
So why you care yours?
So how many is the guy?
We have a check out.
No, who back to the guy? Man, cash out sheet. Can bad one and can sheet. And can bad one and can sheet. Man say can close. You know what can close? What? Yeah. Check out the pants and become a ready grab one. You don't want to get a Come. Natasha can do it. Yo, Yo, but can they come tell you something about pregnant? You wonder if Bumbucks are pregnant for the can get out. Come in. No man, don't close the door. We not close there for what? Richie has some clothes in the back, in the back. Look some more clothes. Popeye, looking at your trunk. Popeye, looking at your trunk. You see? I told time ago. I make you not jump off and left people alone. Can you come get yourself to get out? Can't waste time now.
So, Mr. Brown, what are they saying now?
You go and see my hotel. Can't see a river and go. You carry river attire. Can't insist say you want to go in the water in a long pants, jeans pants.
So, yeah guys, we're still the Rowan River. As you can see the crew there over that side. I'm going to try to get ready to shoot the scenes. I don't know how them are going to deal with the sounds from the river. So I realize the clips that are close to the river and have whole heap on it. So I don't know how them are going to deal with that. But they're over there preparing for the scene. When them start shoot, I go back over there, get some clips so I can see everything. But right now what I'm going is some attire business. Them are try to get props together. I don't know, something about clothes and what I look for, somebody call me earlier ago, so I kind of lose track of myself. So yeah, when them start shoot again, we get the video. So that.
You come here and jump candy, you start shooting candy. Daddy, how you see me from there, so? How you see me from there, so? A different sit me and laugh over.
Wash, beard, and go back home. That bike I want, so not to beard too.
That's the ball really well. And you want to go further, they go Joe. We want to go Joe. We have fish.
Yeah, what?
I'm a swimmer.
Okay. Yeah, fish. Swim around.
I'm telling you.
I love how my shirt look fine, you see. Now watch that, a cologne. That no frowns in a bad color, cologne. Stain! Stain!
Stop turning, you have here. Just go walk coming like you catch water. serious now, fam.
I'm sure for water they give me a fan.
I'm telling you, fam.
Eh? You don't got none. Where, fam?
Ready? Now, boss. Yo! Get to up, now, boss, fam. Fam. Now, boss, fam. Candy, you belly big, you got no belly must be. You get 2 penny out of the candy, you're going to get no penny yet. You're a young girl. I don't know if you're going to a young girl. I have the good man. Candy, find one spot and stuff. You want some weed? You want weed? You want weed? Weed. Come on. Take off the pants, can you have pants too? You're going to give you a massive show. Yeah, the switch around then, the fire. The way I do it, I'll take gone for it. He said gone for it.
So what's not supposed to happen?
I'll take off the clothes and take off the one of them. You don't want to take off. Take off the clothes then. You don't put on the shorts and the candy. Herring. Who does that? You start nature to make it done. That's why it's ready to rub it by the river. Put on what they chain that's up on the river. Put on the chain everything. Pan the river kind of one then last. Strip off everything. Which shot? Let me have on. Good girl, you see a big belly, at your breed make a big belly. If you don't want big belly, you shouldn't breed. Backside you have 2 daughters. Nothing wrong with the belly if you have stretch mark on the girl. Good. Represent. Lift up. Represent the motherhood and not play me. Yes, sir. Represent the motherhood and not spoil me. Alright now. Candy. Put an Alton shot.
Alton shot, good.
I see him put an shots.
Good man front.
Alright, Candy, go ahead.
This.
What's that? Put on it then, because it's dirty now. What's that? Put on it then.
You put on.
Alright, Candy, go ahead. We'll go bent to go swim. We'll go bent to go swim, man. I can't drain the energy to blood, so by the time we done, we can. No, can you get one man? Because the time best shoe and now you get one man. Rough.
Left me alone.
Eh? No, take off them. Can't do that way there. First thing, you have to be no! What you do? We not to know how we go shoot them because you can't shoot. You have to take too long for this in them. So by the time we done discuss what we do, we have to remember how we go. Dandy, it's simple. This is the one, you take off your chain, your earring, put on one shorts, real Jamaican style. Come with your bath pan, ready you come to one. You can't come in a long chain, herring, pretty, what you call, what you have on the name?
Pumbas. Pumbas.
Pretty, this well go out. Who do that? Take a party out up on the river.
Alright, go. Let's take them out. Remember, I said we start shooting tonight, so maybe I take them out.
You keep the concept. You are trying to spoil me there, but I not make a spoil it. Come tell me what we're going to do now. Come on. Nah, man, yes, come on, because it's not to start. You have pushed it to the limit. You are trying to mash up the movie scene. I'm done spending my money. Come now, man. But okay, where am I come tonight and done? What? We're going to do it now.
Thank you, review.
And it's stone them and juke me. Come on. It's stone them and juke that now.
Don't suppose I'm coming to tell me.
Come and see how you're going to do now. Up and left, you don't come. Good job. What put one dust and one dust and two. So two girls run there. You go come, take off the jewels and put them dust up. But then dip on the water. And everything done the body wash and gone. What did they clean? What did they wash first then? You come from this. But here this one come out the body gone. They skin everything gone. You might not take off the skin man. Because you know what? But you know, I'm going to take off and dip on the water. You might not take the panty out on the water with the panty alone. Also not there. Sometimes man say you got to take him like this. You take him up and you are free. Come on, I've got free here. Close to them, close to them. Good on. Well, white, give me the white shirt there. Pass the white shirt there, give me for throwing in a washing. Troy. What? No, nobody else. Come down, watch it. Hold on, funny. I think I have to most everybody. You can't just eat them. They will catch them. But today I can hold on, funny, and see the same. Put the same back to the foot. If you watch out, you can't go on.
I'm saying nothing wrong with the water. What's in the tub?
Huh? When I said, can I water? I will water, not the water. What good girl, I mean? What up a giant, my girl? What up a giant? No, what up a giant, man? Because, you know? Then you just miss what I mean, well. Come to good girl. Just wash your out, man. Now watch that. I'm going to come shoot, but I enjoy yourself. I bet you the fun. Dog, dirty dog. What are you doing? No go yet. Don't use. Come here. Stand up, hold on. They're going to get some river. Wow! Woogie! You just see you and did and back your fist. Go bright. Hey!
Yes, dog!
Me! Master Bane! No, me love me 3 hours.
Ready?
Come, take a chance to move and put the car in my papa.
So yeah, people, that has been it. Well, by the time I reach this point of the video, it's already edited. So my hope is that I edited the entire video so you guys were somewhat entertained. But me personally here, because I've been here so many times, yeah, you know, but shooting and filming and having the camera is always fun for me. But yeah, hope I could have entertained, you know, somewhat, and hope the whole thing was entertaining. But big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, like the video, subscribe if you're your first time over here, and Laura will see you now very, very soon.